Hey guys, welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I made my plantain fritters. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Callie J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and go ahead and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So here I have some mixed spice and I also have some cinnamon powder. I also have my ripe plantain. I also have some brown sugar. Of course, I have some water and I also have my counter flour. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to go in and blend my plantain until it is smooth. And some of you can go ahead and crush it, but I don't want to crush it today. I want to use a different method. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and blend this for 3 to 4 minutes or until smooth. Then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, so this is my blended plantains, all smooth and nice. So I went ahead and added to a large bowl. Then I'm going to go in and add the mixed spice and the cinnamon powder. And of course you want to always ensure that you combine everything together. And I did not add any salt to this recipe, but you guys can go in and add salt, alright? Also, if you want to use granulated sugar, you can go in and use granulated sugar. I will also go in and add the counter flour now. If you realize that your butter for your fritters is a little bit too runny, you can always go in and add some more counter flour. Alright? So for me, I think it's a little bit too runny. So I'm going to go in and add some more counter flour. Alright, while I'm doing this, I have my frying pan on the stove that I'm going to fry my fritters in, and I add some vegetable oil and allow that to heat up a bit. Alright, so once I'm finished making up the batter for my fritters, I'm going to allow it to rest for about a minute before I add it to the frying pan. Alright, so you always want to ensure that your batter is smooth and all of the flour is mixed. Alright, so guys, now it's time to start dropping the batter for my fritters. Of course, I always use a tablespoon to drop it because I think it's a little bit neater and we get it the right sizes, bite sizes. So we are going to go ahead and drop the butter for our fritters. And you can have these fritters by itself, or you can just go ahead and add some cook up saltfish or some callaloo, alright? So basically we are going to fry them until they're golden brown on each side. So within 7 minutes your fritters should be ready. Alright. Please ensure that you check out the description box for all of my recipes. Sometimes I update the recipes a day or two after, but I always try to ensure that the recipes are listed in the description box. Always remember that my recipe acts as a guide so you guys can go in and subtract or add whatever you want. Alright? Alright guys, so now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go in and flip my fritters on the other side and allow them to fry on the other side because we want them to be golden brown, alright? And you want to always try to be gentle because you don't want to break them up, alright? Alright guys, so now my fritters is all fried and ready. I'm gonna go ahead and remove them from the hot oil. Of course, I have my plate with my hand towel, so I'm gonna go ahead and just place it on it because I want the excess oil to be drained. So in a minute, I'll show you guys the final product of my plantain fritters. Alright? So guys, this is the final product of my plantain fritters. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you guys try this recipe at home. Remember to turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching and see you tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye!